Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up our web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. And now as you can see here, this is a new version of Yahoo Mail. So in order to switch back to the classic view, on the left hand side we've got these different tabs here. Click on the three dots, then from here we need to click into settings. And now once we're inside settings, on the left hand tab there is an option to switch to old Yahoo Mail. Go ahead and click into that, and then that's gonna come to this where it says personalize your inbox, make your inbox your own. Click next again, click next, and then click done. And then it'll say welcome to Yahoo Mail. And then there we go. That's how to switch back to the classic view in Yahoo Mail.